for as low as 236,000 pesos down payment, ay eto ang makukuha ninyo dito sa Barangay Quezio, Santa Maria, Bulacan. Ang attached house na lot na bahay with 3 bedrooms, toilet and bath, at meron tayong space for a parking lot. Welcome to Florence Model Unit. Dito sa Florence Model Unit ay meron itong lot area na 80 square meter at ang kanyang floor area ay 112 square meter. At kasama na nitong fence and gate pag once na i-turn over sa inyo. Meron tayong malapad na parking lot para sa inyong dalawang sasakyan. At kung mahilig ka naman sa mga plants, ay meron tayong space for your landscape dito mismo sa harapan ng bahay ninyo. Ito naman yung ating living area. And this is our dining area that fits up to 6 seaters na dining table. Ito naman yung space para sa ating kitchen area. At dito naman sa side yung ating service area. Future homeowners and investors, ito ang turnover ng ating toilet and bath. Dito sa Florence Model Unit ay hindi ito inaangay. Dito sa Florence Model Unit, matibay ang kanilang mga stairs na may solid na concrete at tubular stay naman na bakal para sa kanilang railings. And this is our second floor. This is our bedroom number 1. And meron tayong dalawang master bedroom. Ito, ang first master bedroom, napaka-spacious at mataas yung floor to ceiling. This is our toilet and bath sa second floor. Ito ang pinaka-paborito kong kwarto, yung third bedroom. Mas malaman at mas malamig. At yung bahay na to, nakukuha mo for as low as 5.8 million pesos. 236,000 pesos yung ating down payment na payable pa for 8 months nang walang interest. Reservation fee of 25,000 pesos, tapos yung remaining balance na 90% na worth of 5.5 million pesos ay yun yung ilulong natin sa bank financing. Yun yung monthly amortization through bank financing is this. For more details about this project, meetings and reservations, number na pa-flash namin sa screen. This is Roger Camacho, your licensed real estate broker. Thank you so much for watching and God bless.